Hi, welcome to a continuation of the Ninja, which is the model designer. Now I've added a feature in delete module, and it was easily implemented by taking out the old plugin and just install a new plugin in, and I have to do a packing manually to attach a separate zip, and after having put it in, you can see that it now has the capability of delete model. So this has created originally a series of models and lookups and workflow, and lots of stuff is very quickly created just by applying the data set generated through the generate module. You will automatically create and generate much more powerful in the backend because it is generating from scratch upon your present instance correctly. So now we'll demonstrate this new feature, which is to delete, and the way you do it is to call them up and activate it again. Just attempt to delete. The system, you can do a test if you wish to. You say yes, one record, so you can delete it. But let's look at if the others have record too. If you do not test it, it will still not allow you to delete because having record is not allowed. So embed registration as data. We will enter through the client admin and delete them later. But here's just to do a test. All of them seems to have data. Let's go and check the surgery table. Confirm. Yes, this also has data. Let's look at the treatment. So I've created this to efficiently remove application dictionary information without the tedious work of manually doing so. It will remove AD menu, associated window, tab, column, table, fields, and number of things, but the dropping table is left manually. You just done 90% of your work, so that is good enough. Patient log also has data, and now this is just a workflow. Workflow is not data oriented, so basically it can be removed first, so we will try that. Yes, it's been removed. That means the workflow together with all the nodes is magically done within a few seconds. This is an info window. Well, info window should be easily removed because it's just a view. That's all the hard work. Yes, it's been done. So let's go back and remove the data, and then we remove the model. We're going to decline admin. So now this can act like a proper plug-in and plug-out kind of situation where let's remove the bit region. As you see just now, the workflow has been removed. Yeah, so we have data here. So imagine having to, during development time or design of your module, when you have to create models and design them, and it is the most hardest part because you have to stitch it by hand to create tables, columns, fields, menus, and windows, and attach them and create these 7 compulsory mandatory fields. It's really very difficult. I mean, it's tedious. and we've been doing that for years. And today, this year, I've introduced the Aladdin plugin, and now make them into, call it the Ninja, because it's so fast. And okay, I'll try deleting this first. And let's get to the patient log. Okay, all data seems to be deleted. Did I leave anything out? Treatment, patient research, treatment. Okay, everything seems to be done. Oops. Right. Let's change back, and now under the system mode, this is for designing stage when we are doing fast prototyping, and I'm really showing this to be the fastest in the world. Let me show you the forum that you can refer to. Now, mind you, I am testing this on a live demo, and you can see how fast and convenient it is. You can refer to my forum on these features, and tutorials are there with other movies. So the last part is that I'm doing this deletion. Okay, and let's get back to really deleting and close this up. So call back the module designer. You will see that the info window has been deleted. So now let's go one by one. So you can count the seconds. In a matter of a few seconds, it does something that would take someone many minutes or even hours to do. These are just empty user entity type tables. It will not work on dictionary to protect from destroying core. So everything's supposed to be in a plugin and allow you to now plug out cleanly, really cleanly, as if this is a real loosely coupled plug. Okay, now the surgery, and you just remove the tab under the business partner, and all its associated fields and columns will be deleted. It does not delete the callout GSR rules. You have to do that manually, but you can leave them there. So as they are deleted, they will be rendered inactive again, and a description is left. A confirmation is put on the top left corner here, and a confirmation a deletion is successful. I've tested this a bit, and I fixed a lot of bugs, and finally this is done. Okay, so you could follow the forum topic description here, where questions were raised, and I have let's go for the next one. I've welcomed the feedback, and I've answered many of the questions. And table does not, oh yes, this is a repeat, is a call out, so it's already been deleted, so let's not have that. This is also deleted, so everything is deleted. And if you were to change row back, everything should have been gone. I guess the main menu hospital is still there. Then you have to delete that manually, because this is deleted at the so 3 of them is still there. Bed registration, yeah, they are gone, but it did not. Maybe I need to do a role access update, or I believe it's a cache update. But in essence, this is completed, and we can go back to the main menu and see. But it shouldn't be a problem to then clean up the slight traces of the old model. So this again a reminder that is for development work, when you are designing things on the fly, very quickly prototyping and showing to users and prospects, and you want to change the model. So this could then be deleted manually. So ability to delete them will show that yeah, probably this is still there. So let me go back and see if patient log was actually deleted. It says it was deleted. We can try again. So it's deleted. It does not exist. Yeah, the tab is not there. Just the window is stuck there. I'll check this. But by and large, the rest has been. Yeah, I guess you need to do a cache reset or something. But basically, oh, there is a constraint. You can have a look at that. This is a constraint. Let's have a check. The message is not left there. I'll check it back in my model, but it was clean. Perhaps there was some other information that was introduced. That's it from me here. The powerful plug in and plug out, which I call the Ninja Killer plugin, for you to do very fast, rapid prototyping and removal of your models. Have a nice day. Bye bye.